Welcome back to another video of Unicorn Squad. Yep, you guessed it, Unicorn Squad.
Today we're going to be teaching you how to make edible slime. Now we've already done this, but we're just going to tell you because
We've already made it, and
we can't reverse.
And then we'll do a slime reveal.
Yeah. So let's go straight into this. But be aware that if you play this too much, your hands might get like mine. But you can actually do it.
And also, whoever what's my name? Whoever oh, I've lost it.
Yeah.
Whoever comments down below first will get a shout out in the next video. And we're going to give you 5 seconds to smash that like button. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're going on a trip in a favorite rocket ship. Sail me through. Okay, enough. Okay, did you guys do it? If you did, congratulations to you. Okay, so, but now let's get straight into it. So first you're going to get all your starburst and put them into a bowl, as you do. Then put it in the microwave for 15 seconds first. Check it, mix it. That's not good because it wasn't for me. I had to put it in for another 50 seconds. 50 seconds. 50 seconds.
They'll stuck together, but they're still solid.
Yeah. 50 seconds. And then, so they'll still have the shape, but mix it, and then you'll see if they're good or not. And also, it will be hot. So yeah.
Yeah.
So just get an adult to help.
Yeah, but don't try it right now. Try it at home.
Try this at home.
Try it at home, kids.
Okay, so after you put it in, and then you take it out, then you put loads of icing sugar in. Depending on how much you want.
How about that much? And put it in, and then stab it with your hands, and it'll turn all nice. And it's just slime.
It's out there.
Oh yeah.
She'll go get her slime.
Okay.
And okay, we'll sit.
No, we'll do some. Yeah.
Okay, and then once you keep mixing it, and then take it out with your hands. It will be very hot, but before you take it out, add icing sugar onto the table, and then put it on because otherwise it will stick to the table, and you probably don't want that. Yeah, you don't want that. But anyway, after you do put it in, you are going to mix it. Eat it, and eat it, and eat it, and eat it. Yeah, enough of that. Okay. Get squid, you guys. Okay, anyway. And Matilda's coming now, and she got the slime.
Okay, don't reveal it.
Don't reveal it yet.
Are we going to reveal it yet? Where are you up to?
What? I finished talking about the slime. So, at the end, which will be about now, we're going to do a slime reveal. So, after we do the slime reveal, we're going to play with it. And I just played with the slime and it got sticky.
Yeah, it's very sticky.
And also, I'm going to be in the next few videos, the Unicorn Squad, because I'm part of the Unicorn Squad now.
So she's going to keep that.
Oh, I am?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, but enough about that. We're going to do a slime reveal in 3, 2, 1.
Woo! It's nice slime. They'll probably end up about this kind of color. And if you leave it for too long without playing with it, it'll get really hard. So
I made lots, but it's too sticky now.
I made lots. Look at that beautiful. Oh, I almost dropped it. So let's show you what happens in it.
I'm not getting mine out because it will stick to my hands.
So it's really stretchy. This is my one's dough slime.
Mine's pokey, fluffy slime.
This pokey fluffy slime.
Mine's
dough slime.
I can poke it.
It's
like normal slime, but you can eat it and sneak it into your class at school.
Just say, oh, I have technical difficulties. Keep my fingers still.
Yeah.
I need this to be able to keep my hands still. Yeah. And when teacher's not looking. Oh, where did my slime go? Oh, she stole it.
Do.
And the best thing about this is that you can make it into a poop shape, and it will stay into its.
Yeah.
Well, watch it. Look. So look, it's so stretchy. always when you drop it, it hits like this. Did you hear that?
Did you hear that?
Did you hear
I
that?
don't know.
Let's just do it again.
Maybe.
I'm not sure if you heard that. Let's just go.
Daddy, cuckoo.
Wait, I'm gonna do it again.
Hey. Anyway, we're gonna shout out to Sis vs. Bro because we watch them all the time and they're awesome.
Wait, why am I holding this?
I sprayed them. Well, you were gone because you died. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. If you haven't smashed that like button, smash it right now.
And also, shout out to Corky242 because he's my brother. Oh yeah, we're not sisters, we're just friends. Yeah. I wish you were sisters. Besties!
Oh, and also, my favorite channel is Squishy Makeovers. I love watching them. They're awesome. Have you watched them?
What is
Squishy
that's
Makeovers.
Wendy. No, that's Maria Elizabeth.
Yeah.
Maria Elizabeth.
Shout out to her too.
Yeah,
because I love.
Me too. And also shout out.
I would send you some squishies, but I don't know where you live. Okay, but anyway, subscribe and we'll see you all next time.
Oh,
Bye.
and another shout out to Gabe with